Hey everybody, it's me. Just want to take a minute. It is Wednesday night, so we are doing Impact 119. But before we get into that, I just want to take a few minutes and catch up on a few things that we've got going on. First of all, Saturday, I am super excited. Not only did the school year end crazy, our year ended crazy. And so, normally in Life Discovery, we have end of year parties and celebrations, and even in Impact 119, we do end of year celebrations. And so we just didn't get to do any of that. And our teachers are so ready to see you guys. So we have decided to do a drive-through promotion, and that will be Saturday morning. You can drive through anytime between 9:30 and 11, and our teachers will be out here ready to celebrate you and to congratulate you on moving up to the next class and let you know how much they love you and loved having you in their class. And they'll be giving out goodie bags for you. So we would love to see you Saturday morning, anytime between 9:30 and 11. Just drive through. When you come to the awning and in front of Building D, we stop, roll down your window, we'll love on you a little bit and give you your goodie bag. If you have a child that is going into first grade, we usually do an end of the year promotion time where we give them a Bible and a certificate. We will have those there. So if you have an upcoming first grader, make sure they are here for our drive-through for that. We cannot wait to see all of you. We miss you. So we would love to connect with you during our drive-through promotion time this Saturday. And also, if you've been watching any of our online stuff from Brother Jackie, you should be very well aware that we have a huge deal coming up in October called the Come to Christ Crusade. Well, we really haven't mentioned much about it, but along with the Come to Christ Crusade, we're going to be having a Come to Christ Kids Crusade that will be for our kids that have parents that are coming to the Come to Christ Crusade. So if you know me very well, you know I love, love, love Vacation Bible School. I live for Vacation Bible School, and so I really, really miss it. So our Come to Christ Crusade for the kids is going to be similar to our Vacation Bible School, and it is going to be so much fun. Like, the music is incredible. It's going to have some great teaching, and that kind of leads me into our Impact 119 for today, because our Come to Christ Crusade, we're going to be focusing on the wilderness and what the Israelites went through when as Moses took them into the wilderness, and how God showed up and showed out through that time. And they were isolated from everybody else. They were all by themselves. It was a group of them, but they were isolated from what they had always known. Kind of like we are today. We are in our own little bubbles. We are being protective and being careful and cautious, and we need to do that, and that's a good thing. But during that time, at our Come to Christ Kids Crusade, we're gonna have Moses here, and Moses is gonna kind of tell you his story and what God did during that time. Moses was just an ordinary person, just like us, that God did extraordinary things through. And right now, God is doing some amazing things. And so we're going to talk about that. And I want you to know that even though we may be isolated right now, maybe we are in our own little bubble, and we might be, a lot of times when we have that isolation, we have loneliness, and we have different emotions that go along with that. But I want you to know God loves you so much, and God has amazing things for you. And so I cannot wait to see what all stories come out of this time. Look for your God moments. God has things in everyday things. Look for those God sightings, and I want to hear about those. And I want to take just a minute while we're still here to remind you, moms and dads, as preparation for Saturday morning, I had Miss Kathy send out a text to all of our parents asking our kids to do something in preparation for that. So kids, if you're listening, if you don't know what that is, ask mom and dad what I've asked you to do. and make sure you do that for us. And then be here Saturday morning, anytime between 9:30 and 11. And then, of course, the Come to Christ Kids Crusade is October 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. Please, please, please be praying for that. I'm expecting God to show up and show out and do amazing things. And then just know that as you're walking through this wilderness, God is with you, and we can trust God in all things. And that's what we're going to be talking about during the Come to Christ Kids Crusade, is how we can trust God and how God is always able. So make plans to be at the Come to Christ Crusade. Bring your kids to the Come to Christ Kids Crusade. I can't wait to see you. I miss all of you. And I hope that we get to be together again very, very soon. I love you. Bye, guys.